Hello guys, I'm Ruchika Singh. Today I'm going to make and share the benefit of turmeric tea. This tea is going to make with turmeric roots, ginger, lemon and with honey. I am using ginger root. If you do not have ginger root, you can also use powder as well. So here I'm making 4 cup of turmeric tea. For that add 4 cup of water in your saucepan. For measuring water, I'm using this cup. And now turn on heat and add 4 cup of water in your saucepan. Here I'm adding 1/4 cup of water extra. We'll tell you later why I'm adding this water extra. You can see that I peeled them and sliced into it. You can also grate if you want. So I'm adding this peeled and sliced turmeric and ginger into it. Now here you can add some black pepper as well. And now simmer your gas for 10 to 15 minutes. Why I'm simmering my flame? Because now here I'm going to tell you the benefit of turmeric tea. The benefit of turmeric tea, it is really good to detox the body toxins, boost your immunity, protect liver tissue as well, clean your blood, purify your blood. It can reduce bad cholesterol, it can reduce your pain, it can heal or improve your skin as well. And also turmeric tea has benefit to prevent cold, flu, a lot more as well. So I prefer to drink this drink on empty stomach in morning. You can also take this drink at night, but I would prefer to take in morning. Okay, let's boil. Now here you can see that it's boiling properly. Okay, now I'm going to tell you that why I add this 1/4 of water extra here. Because this water going to evaporate or burn during the boiling process. So you have to add 1/4 of extra water so that your actual quantity can preserve safely. Now allow the water to boil properly, and it's almost done now. So now I'm going to make turmeric tea in a proper way, and I'm going to show you. So here it is. Look at that color, it's so beautiful. It's yellowish, it has reddish. Now this is lemon juice and honey. You have to add this kind of spoon, 1 spoon of lemon juice and 1 spoon of honey into it. And I'm going to do it. Okay, you can add this much. And now add with the same spoon 1 spoon of lemon juice into it. You can see the color now. It changed, it became yellow. See? So here, this is your turmeric ginger tea with some black pepper, honey and lemon into it. Enjoy this drink to improve your immunity, to improve your skin texture. It can heal acne skin as well. So this drink is pure and magical. Enjoy it. Thank you.